Hi! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make a Chinese lantern. This is an easy DIY that you can make in just 5 minutes. If you like this craft, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So, let's get creative, shall we? First, let's make a template by tracing half of a saucer on the paper and cut it out. Take a tissue wrapper, fold it into half and cut the sides. Continue folding and cutting to make 12 squares. We just made 12 pieces of cutouts for this lantern. Stack a few pieces of paper together, fold it into half, and trace the half circle. Then cut along the lines. Then fold it into half and make another fold just as shown. With these folded lines, it will guide us where to apply glue on each paper, making sure it's all the same. Now take a half circle, open it up, apply glue in the middle fold that we just made earlier. Press it down to stick together. Continue and do it for all the cutouts. Now we're going to apply glue on these two folded lines on each side and stick one half circle on it. Attach 6 pieces of half circles together. Then attach the remaining 6 pieces of half circles together. Then take an adhesive tape and stick it in the middle of each stack. Combine the two stacks together by applying glue on the same folded lines. Lift it up to test it out. Now apply glue to the two folded lines to turn it into a full circle. Lift it up and stick the two flaps together. Gently press both flaps to secure it. To hold the string in tassel, take a card paper and cut 1 cm by 6 cm strip. Fold it in half and stick them together. Then trim the sides. Then trim the sides of the remaining card strip. Punch a hole on each card strip. This will be used to hold the tassel and the string handle. Use glue or double-sided tape to stick it together. Then put another double-sided tape, as shown, and stick it in the middle gap of the lantern. Gently pinch it to stick together. Now let's make a tassel by winding the string around for about 12 times and tie it in the middle to secure it. Cut the string to your preferred length. This is about 12 centimeters. Then trim the other side. Leave at least 1 centimeter from the top and tie a string around it. Insert the string in the holder and tie it. Insert and stick it within the center gap of the lantern. gently pinch the sides to secure it. Cut another string with your preferred length for the handle. Finally, you may also add a gold accent on the tassel. And there you have it, your very own DIY Chinese lantern. I hope you had fun making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!